Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check the router and modem power lights. A blinking internet LED often means upstream issues. Next, open a terminal and ping 8. 8. 8. 8 to see if packets leave your network. This isolates DNS from connectivity. Once you know ICMP works, turn off any VPN or proxy because they can intercept DNS requests. If you use Wi-Fi, switch to a wired connection briefly to rule out radio interference or weak signal. Now you move to DNS and system-level corrections because many site cannot be reached errors are name resolution failures. Flush your DNS cache to remove stale entries. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons. On Mac OS, use sudo killall HUPM DNS responder. Then change your DNS server to a reliable public resolver like 8. 8. 8. 8 or 1. 1. 1. 1, either on the device or the router. Also clear the browser DNS cache, disable extensions that inject scripts, and retry in another browser to separate browser issues from system DNS. Finish by resetting deeper network components when earlier steps fail. Run a network stack reset. For Windows, use netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset, then reboot. This restores protocol bindings. Inspect the host's file for accidental or malicious overrides and remove any unauthorized mappings. If the error persists, test the same site over mobile data. If it loads there, your ISP or router configuration is likely the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily power cycle modem and router for at least 30 seconds to clear provider-side state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.